Hello. Thinking of making repairs or improvements to your home? It doesn't matter if you bought a newly built home, a fixer-upper, or a condo in a maintained community. Owning your own place can stir up the home improvement itch in some people. Even if it doesn't, at some point it requires us to do some basic maintenance and repair tasks. Before you give in to that universal itch, here are 5 things you should know before you start improving and repairing your home. Have a plan. One of the worst things to happen in terms of home improvement is starting a renovation project without any major details of how it's supposed to go. Design, materials, time, and cost. Be as realistic as you can from the start. Nothing will cost more than having second thoughts like changing your tile choice or moving an appliance somewhere else. You can use design tools to conceptualize your home improvement project and add a healthy buffer of 10 to 15% on top of your final budget and renovation time to account for those inevitable surprises. Be realistic about your timeline and prepare for inconveniences. Although you have a plan, know that it will usually take longer than expected, so you need to be prepared to make adjustments to avoid frustration. Also, if you're planning a major renovation, you will likely be inconvenienced. You will not be able to use the rooms during the project. Consider how you will manage without those areas, as well as the time of the year and how uncomfortable you'll be during the project. Expect the unexpected. All homes hold dirty secrets under the floor, in the walls, behind your appliances, everywhere. And a home renovation can bring those secrets to light. Like when moving the fridge, you might notice a leak of some sort or weird noises coming from it, which will need to be prepared before you start. You might find several nuisances to deal with during the renovation project that you might not have anticipated. Permits for major work. Depending on the state you're in, you might need to get permits before starting renovation projects. Contractors should offer the cost for all permits in their estimate, and they're usually responsible for getting the permits from local offices, unless you'd rather do it yourself. Major home improvements that might require local permits are electrical and plumbing work, structural changes such as building a deck or a patio, and new structures like fences and windows. Regardless, your city council office should have all the information for home projects and improvements that will need permits. Choosing the right contractor. You won't have trouble finding contractors willing to manage your renovation project. However, finding the right contractor will definitely take some time. In your planning stages, make sure you interview multiple contractors. Ask them about their communication and work style, their costs, and to provide references. This should help you in choosing a professional who can ensure that your project runs smoothly. You can also ask family and friends for recommendations. Ask contractors for videos and or photos of their most recent projects. Those who actually know what they're doing and run a reputable and solid business will have no problem showing off what they're capable of. Remember that experience really counts in this regard. So, when done properly, home improvement projects not only add value to your home, but also comfort and confidence. On the other hand, these projects can bust your wallet and end up failing miserably if you neglect to plan ahead. But with these tips, you can definitely make your home renovation a success. This is Melissa Waterwall, Real Estate Advisor, and I'm here to help with all things real estate. Whether buying, selling, or both, I can guide you through the process and relieve some of the stress involved. Reach out anytime by phone, text, or email, or check out my website at melissa.realtor. See you again soon.